Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome to this course. Thank you for registering, or at least thank you for watching this video if you're not registered yet. Some people do know me because they already registered in the course number 1, which is the completely free course. And if you don't know me yet, then I'm going to introduce myself in this small video over here, short video. And I'm going to also introduce the course, what you are going to learn basically from this course. So if you are not registered in the first free Arabic course, then this is absolutely okay, because I have already uploaded all the videos of the first course to this course as well. So you would be able to have the chance to start over again. So as you can see here, this is me. My name is Fadi Gilbert Char, and I'm holding 2 bachelors. One of them in Management Information Systems, or what it's called MIS, and the second one is in International Management. And I have also the Master of the Business Intelligence and Process Management degree. I am a Arabic native speaker. I come from Syria originally, but I've been living abroad for like maybe 10 years so far. I'm not really sure. And I have 4 years of experience in teaching Arabic to foreigners like Canadians, Americans, Germans, etc. So I know that there's a lot of letters that you will not be able to speak. For example, if you come from Canada, then you can't say as I have noticed from other students that I taught. And for example, some German students cannot spell h very well. They goes like h instead of h. But anyway, this is, it doesn't matter, because you're gonna learn until you become a really good Arabic speaker, or at least people will understand what you are saying. So what we are going to learn in this course, and why do you need Arabic? I'm just gonna first of all ask you a question: why you are learning Arabic? So the answer would be that you might be going to work abroad, for example in Dubai or Qatar or Abu Dhabi or Egypt or I don't know where. So if you are going to work there, you're basically moving to an Arab world, to an Arab country. So you need Arabic for at least talking to somebody who's walking in the street. You want to get the direction, you want to order some food, you want to ask a general question. So in this case, yes, you do need some Arabic. Otherwise, you might just need to improve your CV, and you would like to learn a new language, or you are like, let's say, a language maniac, or I don't know, you would love just to learn new language. Doesn't matter how many languages you speak. So you would like to build up your CV, including 3 or 4 or 5 languages. I don't know. It could also be a hobby. So in this case, if it's just a hobby, then that's really nice. That's really nice of you that you are learning Arabic. Also, there are some people who already convert into Islam, and those people who convert, they really need Arabic in order, for example, to read their Quran, or to know how to pray or whatever. So there's many reasons why people would like to learn Arabic. However, unfortunately, learning Arabic is not difficult, but I have no idea why people do not have the intention to teach Arabic. So I really I'm really happy, and I'm glad that I can share this course with you. Even if this course is expensive, you can simply drop me a message and I will just send you a coupon code for the course. You don't even have to pay for the full amount. So this is only a number. This is only a number at Udemy. But once you want to register the course, you can simply just send me a message, like private message on Udemy, or you can send me an email. You're going to see the email right now. So I can just simply give you a coupon code. What else I can do for you? I'll be able also to give you one-to-one Skype lessons, or maybe we can have a chat together. So if you have some questions, if you have some concerns about something, I can really help you directly through Skype. And also I'll be able to answer any question you post on the forums on Udemy, on the Arabic course page actually. So this is here my email address is fadidgchar@gmail.com. If you also have any suggestions, I would love to hear suggestions. I would love to hear some feedbacks. And if you don't mind also, you can review the course once you're done with it. You can review the course like from 1 to 5 stars. Please review the course from the bottom of the heart, of your heart actually, because feedbacks and suggestions will really make the course better in the future. Because I keep updating the course each 2 or 3 weeks. It depends if I have enough time. So I try to update it as soon as possible, but usually it takes me 2 or 3 weeks to update the course. For the meantime, also, if you refer a friend, you can get a 25% share. So if you basically, your friend paid 10 euros, so you can get 2.5 euros back to your own account. So in order to refer a friend, please email me first so we can talk about it. Before I close this video, I would like to tell you that in this course you will be able to learn the basics and a bit advanced Arabic. So once you walk in the street, you can ask whoever is walking on the street a question, a general question, like direction, like an object, for example, cars, taxis, signs, airport, if you go to a restaurant, library, school, university, you're also gonna learn grammar, how to conjugate the verbs in Arabic, how to combine words together, how to create sentences, and also you're gonna be able to write some essays about you, for example, or about any idea in your brain, I don't know. So conversations, grammar, vocabulary, almost everything. I'm gonna almost cover everything in this course. At the meantime, there's around 13 hours of content in this course, but as what I told you, I keep update this course each 2 or 3 weeks until I reach 40 hours of content in this course. So basically, you're paying for 40 hours of content, 40 hours of Arabic. But for the meantime, I have 13, and as what I told you, I keep updating the course. So this is all what I wanted to share about in this video, introduction video. So if you have anything in mind, just contact me. Feel free to talk with me. I am very open, very friendly. I'm not your teacher, I'm your friend. So anything in mind, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna start with the first video, the following video, not now. So we'll see you on the following video.